I'm installing the deck joist. 16 inches on center for the deck joist. Here and here. Got a little 16-inch mark here, one here, one there, one there, one there, one there. I'm going to be using, what is this? Simpson tie LUS 2110Z. And that's what we're doing. And we're also going to be sistering or splicing the joist. Okay, you gotta make sure the outside is on 16 inches. 16 inches. Ready to draw one. The tie on this side because when you splice, you don't want the splice to be in the middle. So. So you put the nails in, 16 hot dip nails in to stop the shear motion, and we use the Spax 2.5-inch screws for the tensile motion. Okay, so to me it was the best of both worlds. That's why I did it. Don't want to just use screws, and I have all these nails I had to use for the framing, so might as well use the nails. You know, I didn't want to use structural screws because it's too much money. Yeah. So now we got to put this hurricane tie in. Putting in this Deck Wise tape. Deck Wise JoistTape, $35 a roll. Got it on Amazon. See, this is the sticky part of it. Get a good look of it. See, so this is the part that is going to be exposed to the elements. This is the part that's going to stick to. It's going to stick to the wood. Okay. Okay, guys, I got my partner, Honey Bun. Honey Bun, what are we doing today?
We are going to put the joist tape on the joist so water won't get around the screw and get inside the joist.
Okay, Kat. So look, this is the side that gets exposed to the weather, and this is the sticky part that gets on contact with the joist. You watching?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start it right here.
Exactly on the 62-inch line.
Okay, so now, okay, so go like this, make it smooth. Not yet. I'll tell you when. Okay, do this part right here.
Oh yeah,
that's it.
Yep.
Okay, good job, Kat.
Thank you, Daddy.
So that is the joist tape. Took me about 3 hours to do, actually. Took some time, but it's done.